Reports show tens of thousands confirmed cases and potentially millions of men are unknowingly infected. A sudden outbreak of a new harmful virus known as the shirt flu is spreading nationwide. What's making it so hard to track is that carriers of the flu often don't think they have it. In many cases, friends and family are often the first to spot the symptoms. The shirt flu is primarily infecting men as it's thought to be spread through dress shirts, but that hasn't been confirmed at this time. Although the infection isn't deadly, it can cause significant deterioration to a man's mental health. The documented symptoms of the shirt flu include, but aren't limited to, mood swings, paranoid anxiety, chronic depression, and decreased sex drive. Earlier today, the leading aid organization on the Shirt Flu Foundation, came out with this statement. This is a serious and harmful infection. We recommend paying close attention to which dress shirts you're wearing and to stay up to date on critical safety information and developments on shirtflu.org. At the current rate, we strongly advise men to take immediate action to protect themselves from this rapid spreading nationwide infection. For instructions and details, go to shirtflu.org. We'll be keeping you continuously up to date with developments on this story.